Are you ready to elevate your roasting game? A perfect roasting pan is essential for achieving that mouth-watering, restaurant-quality roast. Why does the right pan matter? It's not just a baking dish, it's designed for high-heat cooking. A quality roasting pan ensures even heat distribution, so your chicken cooks perfectly, while your veggies caramelize beautifully. Here are the key factors to consider. First, look for heavy gauge materials. They minimize hot spots. Next, consider the included rack. It elevates your protein, maximizing airflow for crispy skin. Check for a large surface area to spread out your ingredients, preventing sogginess. A one-pan design simplifies cleanup, too, making post-meal routines easier. Here are top picks for your next roasting adventure. 1. Cuisinart Chef's Classic, durable and large for up to a 15-pound turkey. 2. Circulen Nonstick, easy cleanup with a durable nonstick interior. 3. All-clad stainless steel, professional grade for serious cooks. 4. Granite Ware, affordable and lightweight for beginners. 5. Rachael Ray Nonstick, stylish and practical, perfect for mid-tier budgets. Finally, master the roasting process. Preheat your oven and pan for better searing. Use oils wisely, season thoroughly, and don't forget to let your chicken rest for juicy results. With the right pan, you're set to create delicious, healthy meals. Ready to roast? Happy cooking!